Hi everyone, this is Becky with Scott Leroy Marketing, and today I want to show you how you can sync opportunity details with the connected DocuSign room or .loop in your command opportunities. So the first thing we want to do is we want to sign into command, which is agent.kw.com with our KW login credentials. Once we are here, we are going to navigate over to our opportunities. Our opportunities applet is going to be these two hands shaking on the left-hand side. So we'll click on that. Then we're going to go to the opportunity that we would like to sync the opportunity details with. So ours is going to be here. We're going to go down and select that opportunity. And then through here, we'll be able to go in, update this channel information, update the information on the left-hand side. So if we are adding a co-buyer, so we can go ahead and add them for our contacts. We'll go ahead and search here. And we'll grab that one. And then once you have fields that aren't synced, they're going to be a reddish, orangish brown, and you'll see that it's not synced, whereas the green ones are already synced. You'll also see up here that one field is not synced to DocuSign. You can also go in and add the address. So if we wanted to say 23 Main Street. Let's grab that. And then we can just add that in, and we'll just go ahead and save that. And you'll see that one is also needing to be synced to DocuSign. So once we have those details that have been added that we need to sync to DocuSign, we're just going to click this button up here that says Sync to DocuSign. It'll ask if we want to go ahead and sync it. It'll send that transaction information over. Do we want to proceed? We'll say Update. And it will go ahead and update our DocuSign room. We can refresh this page and you'll see those fields will be synced. Once we have done that, if you go to your DocuSign room, you'll also be able to see all of that information updating as well. If you have any questions or if you run into any snags with this, please let us know. Our email is support@scottleroymarketing.com. We're always here to help out. Hope you have a great day.